Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about getting CorelDRAW for graphic design, illustration, or vector editing, but don't want to pay full price, I've got great news. Today I'll share the latest CorelDRAW coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025, plus show you exactly how to buy CorelDRAW with a special discount. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest savings. CorelDRAW is one of the most trusted design software tools in the world, perfect for vector graphics, logo creation, print layouts, and even web graphics. Whether you're a beginner or a professional designer, CorelDRAW gives you all the tools you need to create stunning visuals. And with these coupon codes, you can grab it at one of the lowest prices of the year. Here are the codes you can try. Corel 30, save 30% off CorelDRAW subscriptions. Design 25, extra 25% off CorelDRAW graphics suite. Illustrate 15, flat 15% off site-wide. Bundle 20, 20% off when you purchase CorelDRAW with other Corel products. Free month, 1 month free on select annual plans. How to buy CorelDRAW with a discount. Click the special link in the description, choose your CorelDRAW product, subscription or lifetime license. At checkout, paste one of these coupon codes, confirm your discount, and complete the purchase. It's that simple. So don't wait. CorelDRAW deals like this don't last long, and it's the perfect time to invest in professional design software at a lower price. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start creating with CorelDRAW today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more software deals and promo codes, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.